This is how you give an alien a bath to check to see where the leak is coming from out the alien.
When you don't have a bathtub.
Yeah.
And he is how tall?
I have no idea.
About,
We're about 4 feet.
yeah.
Maybe a little shorter than that.
I never seen nobody vacuum. I mean, not vacuum, but wash an alien before.
Here's high-tech technology here. Now you know, you're free.
Put some soap around his neck and
I need a soap bottle.